White Castle Vineyard is a 13,500 vine vineyard situated in the village of Llynfethrin near Abergavenny. We're a family-run vineyard. We offer various experiences, including tours, tastings, winery visit. For group visits, they can range from 1 person to 50. We start with just an introduction to White Castle Vineyard and winery, how it all started from the day we bought the property, really, because there was no plan to have a vineyard here. It was just somewhere to live in the country and passion of farming. Then we walk through the vines, through the different varieties. We talk about that, the elevations, the scenery, and how we're situated in a very small microclimate here in Monmouthshire. We then bring them into the winery where they can get their nose in an oak barrel that's got some wine in it so they can see the different aromas to different wines. Then we take them back to our cellar-door and we conduct a tasting then of 4 wines usually. Depending on the size and the weather conditions, we have facilities where we can sit in a 16th century barn, or we can be sat outside with views across the vineyards. And we offer platter lunches and bits and pieces. We just try to make the experience an enjoyable one. It's not a tour guide, so people get to meet the people, actually do the work and run the business. And I think not many people get that opportunity to do that in terms of the profile of the business. And it's all led by myself or my wife, Nicola. We try to make the experience of our tours and our tastings relaxed, enjoyable, memorable in terms of the quality of wine, but also it's an opportunity for us to break down some of the myths and barriers around drinking wine and the perception of who's eligible to drink those wines, if you like. A lot of our wines are served in Michelin-starred restaurants, 5-star hotels, and maybe not everybody goes to those establishments. For me, I like to bring it back down to where we can all enjoy the experience and get people to understand what we're trying to do and make these award-winning wines around the country.